Hi there, I'm Mark Johnson with Artisan Restoration, and as you can see, the building behind me is an old barn that I'm doing an inspection on today. It's about 32 by 59 feet long, has 12-foot 9-inch sidewalls, and it's a gambrel roof structure, which is all balloon framed, I guess you would call it. And every 6 feet, there is let's say a truss-like member that goes up to the mid-roof support beam, and those three over there are in pretty good shape, but we're missing some here because there's a doorway on the other side, and down here you can see these poor guys are pretty stressed out um, and bowed. And the other thing you notice is that the barn is leaning a little bit to my left or to the north. This wall isn't too bad, but this is the west wall here. You can really see that the siding is um, tilted to the right a little bit, and they've installed a bunch of braces here to counteract that and keep it from getting much worse. The other situation is I think the roof is tilted a little bit to the north also. I don't know if we can get that completely corrected, but that roof means this wall is tilted out. And it's got two truss-like members here that are designed to keep the wall from bowing inward or out, but the peak is shifted, so they appear to be kind of crooked. And anyhow, the floor is in remarkably good shape. There's a couple holes in it. It's got a reinforced plank area in the center here to drive some equipment in here. The plate is a double 2x6 plate, and we've got 2x6s every 24 inches on center in the wall and in the roof. And they put blocking in between them so that they could put the vertical barn boards on. But there's this guy here where the dog is. That one has come loose from the floor, and that's actually one that's attached to the other side over there at the doorway. And because this side has come loose, that side is carrying a lot more weight than it should. And over on the other side of the doorway, that one has come loose from the floor, so that needs to be pulled in and reattached to the floor much better also. Downstairs, I don't know if you can see it, but the foundation wall here is tilted in, and I'm recommending that the entire foundation be replaced if they decide to go through with their plans to make this into a home. So I need to come up with a budget for foundation replacement, structural repairs, floor and so forth. He's been working with the builder in the area because they were looking at the idea of building a new home here, and they've given up on that and have decided to look into saving the barn, what it's going to take to do that, plus the extra work that'll be required to make it actually into a home. So anyway, I'll be helping them with that and doing some estimates for the barn conversion project as well. Downstairs, I don't think there's any need to look at that. It's full of stanchions and old cow manure and so forth, and it's all got to go. So anyway, that's the inspection report here. Let's take a look quick at the roof. If missing a few shingles here and there, and there's a little bit of a dip in it right over the doorway, but otherwise the ridge is pretty straight, and it's not in too bad a shape yet, but some work will need to be done here on the floor because the door's been left open for too long, and there's some deterioration in the floor joist there. But here you can see how the post, the door post, is pushed out almost a foot on this side, and this side here is holding its own for the time being. But I think the next one is just about ready to slip. That one there looks like it may have moved, shifted a little bit. So anyway, something that's going to have to get corrected with some big winches and some cables. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks.